In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set proposal expiration date in Proposify. Setting a clear expiration date on your proposal link is a simple way to create urgency, protect pricing, and keep your sales pipeline moving. I'll walk you through the exact flow so you can get it done quickly and confidently. Start by opening a fresh browser window and searching for Proposify. This makes it easy to get to the official site without typing the full URL. Once your search results appear, click the first official Proposify link to head straight to the platform. Next, log into your account. Use your standard company credentials and proceed through any two-factor prompts if your team has that enabled. After you sign in, you'll land on the Documents tab. This is your central hub for proposals and agreements. Find the document you want to control access to and open it. If you're working with a draft, that's fine. The steps are the same, whether the proposal is brand new or already in circulation. Inside the document editor, look toward the top toolbar and click the Share button. This is where you manage how your proposal is sent and who can see it. When the Share Settings panel opens, scan for the section labeled Link Expiry. This control determines when the public viewing link will stop working for your recipients. By default, link expiry is set to Never, which means the link remains accessible indefinitely. To add a deadline, click the drop-down and choose a specific calendar date. Pick a date that aligns with your validity window, internal approval cycles, or the urgency you want to communicate. After this date passes, viewers won't be able to open the link or take action on the proposal, which helps ensure your pricing and terms aren't left open-ended. A few quick tips as you choose your date. Consider your prospect's decision timeline, allow a small buffer for holidays or time zones, and communicate the expiry clearly in your message so there are no surprises. If you ever need to adjust the deadline, maybe negotiations take longer than expected, you can return to this same Share panel and update the date, or set it back to Never if you want the link to remain open. That's all there is to it. Open Proposify, log in, open your document, click Share, find Link Expiry, and select the date that fits your plan. With that, you'll keep proposals current, reduce stale links, and move deals forward with clarity and confidence.